hub gear adjustment for bikes with 3 and 6 gears. Today you'll learn how to adjust your Brompton hub gears for optimum performance. This is best done in a work stand. Put the bike with the gear trigger into gear 3 and slacken off the knurled lock nut. Back pedal slightly, then forward pedal to ensure the highest and hardest gear is engaged. Start by winding the barrel adjuster anti-clockwise. This should alleviate tension on the cable. Once the cable is slack, start winding the barrel adjuster back in until the cable is becoming taut. Now set the shifter to gear 2. Look through the cutout of the chain tensioner nut. The relationship between the end of the axle and toggle chain will impact the quality of the gear setup. To adjust the relative position of the toggle chain and axle, wind the barrel adjuster in or out. Winding the barrel adjuster anti-clockwise will release the tension, whereas turning it clockwise will increase the tension of the cable. The edge of the bar section of the toggle chain should protrude 1 mm from the edge of the axle, viewable through the chain tensioner viewing portal. Once you are happy with the barrel adjustment and relative cable tension, secure the barrel adjuster using the locking ring.